you screaming? Let me see your hand, Ben. Show me your hand.
Ow!
What did you do?
Ow!
What did you do to it?
Why?
You drew on it?
Ow!
You drew on it?
Ow!
Why are you saying ow? Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Show Daddy your hand. Let me see it. No, your hand. Can I see your hand? Yeah, it has sound on it.
You can?
Let me see your hand. Show. Oh my goodness. What color is that, Alex? What color? Red? It's more like black, I think. What color is your hand? Let's see what your hand color is. What color is that? Green and red? You got red on there too? See, green and red. Okay, that's good. Green and red. What's wrong with your hand? Are you drawing on it? What's that? Oh, let me see those. Really? What is that? What are you drawing on yourself, Alex? Can I see your face? Let me see your face. Wow, let's see Ben's face. Ben, don't draw on your face. Benjamin, what are you going to do? You going to go fight some Indians? What are you doing here? What are you doing?